What's up, man? It's your boy mokicksthanbrucelee back again for another banger.
Yeah, ho!
Check this out. This time we're back for another early look. We're back for an early look at the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere Diffused Blue. Let's go. All right, this pair drops March the 15th, 2025. Let's get into the box. So you got your standard A Ma Maniere Jordan 3 box with the slide out case that got the A logo on it, which is very dope. And we're gonna read the size label. It's got Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, and the style number is HV8571100. Let's take this out. Y'all know how I love special packaging. Very dope, very cool. Let's take the top off, pop the top. Then you got your classic A Ma Maniere paper. Then you got some more white wax paper. Then you have the threes. Ooh, these are very dope. Okay, these are dope. Right off the bat, the leather on these, y'all, is very dope. Very similar to the OG Air Jordan 3 A Ma Manieres. That's white, gray, and cream. They basically the same shoe, but just with the different colors on it, which is very dope sneaker. Let's get the other pair out. So, got the laces coming out of these. And you do got some extra laces inside. Look like some cream laces. You got your A Ma Maniere tags. You got your hang tag, which is like a diffused blue. And like I said, very beautiful sneaker, man. I like this blue on there. Extremely dope. On the tongue, you got the A Ma Maniere logo on the left. And then on the right, you got the Jordan brand logo, Jumpman logo. On the back, you do have the Nike Air, which is a very dope touch. Even though these are not technically an OG colorway, this is an OG sneaker. And I like the Nike Air being on the ass instead of the Jordan logo. Is just very dope. It gives it an OG classic touch. On the inside sock liner, you do got that like quilted padding for the sock liner, which gives it a nice luxurious feel to it. Very dope. The actual elephant print, where the elephant print would be, is just a suede, which is a navy blue color suede, just like your typical Air Jordan Ma Maniere. They usually take the elephant print off, which is very dope to me. And I think that's very dope of them to do that, to be willing and to take the elephant print off, which is a popular and iconic part of this silhouette. And they took that off and added their own touch to it, which is very dope for this sneaker. And we gonna get into some B-roll for this sneaker, y'all. Let's roll. Appreciate y'all, man, for stopping by, checking out yet another episode of Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're messing with the channel. Comment below and let me know if you're going for these or any other sneakers that you just seen reviewed. Follow me on TikTok at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee /X at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. Follow me on Instagram at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. Follow me on Facebook at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. And also, what is that? TikTok. I already said TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if we still have that after we record this. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man, for stopping by again. And we got more early looks coming, more discussion videos coming. Appreciate y'all, man. See y'all in the next episode.